and flip it into a little twist. Hey everybody, and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Reagan Walters, and today I'm going to be showing you 2 fast, easy, and cute hairstyles to do on little girls. Okay, so for this first hairstyle, I'm going to start by taking a section from the crown of her head and securing it with an elastic. I'm going to loosen it up a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take from the front and on both sides. Now I'm going to take another elastic and secure this one. The next thing I'm going to do is take this second little ponytail thing that I did and flip it into a little twist. And then I'm going to loosen it just a little bit because I need to put my fingers up. And then I'm going to twist and grab this one that we did at the beginning. Now I'm going to pull this tight. And there you go. Very simple, very pretty. If you want to curl the hair, it looks so pretty curled. I think I'm going to leave her straight, and there you have it. For this next hairstyle, you're going to need 3 clear elastics. And the first thing that I'm going to do is take a section from both sides of her head. And this one I'm going to start pretty close to her right ear. I'm going to take my first elastic. Now I'm going to twist it like this and tighten it. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing I just did. Take a small section from both sides of her head. The difference is we're going to start this one a little bit farther to the left than the first one. We're going to start it right here. I'm going to twist it, tighten it. I'm going to do a third one now. And this one is going to fall pretty close to the center of her head. Put an elastic. Twist it in. And this one, instead of, first I'm going to tighten and then I'm going to loosen. Loosen all of them. You can either curl the ends, leave them down, or add a ponytail, which is what I'm going to do. So cute. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of her hair, and we have this big rubber band here, so we're going to cover it with her hair. So I'm going to cover it with a piece of her hair. And then I'm going to take some bobby pins and bobby pin to the end. Last but not least, there's a lot of flyaways on a little girl's hair, so we're going to put some hairspray in and kind of tame those flyaways. So I'm just going to spray and then take my hand over and calm down the flyaways. Okay, and that's it. It's so cute and it takes only about 2 minutes. And it's such a sweet hairstyle for your little girl. If you liked this video, give us a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more, you can subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.